All right, now that we know how to count and play it, we should analyze small details about the breaks, for example, that are in the piece for F sharp 7 flat 9, as well as some form of how we can really make sure we are playing what we want to play in the right spot. Will be that we just practice along those fragments or parts. Let's say at 78 beats per minute again. Let's pick just this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is sometimes problematic because this has to sound, of course, if you don't practice properly or learn it properly, everything will be problematic. But every problem will also end forever and once for all, in the very same moment that you approach the material properly. So, let's say we have to sound this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Confidence there and sound exactly like that. We repeat. Step 1 is that we first need to count it with the metronome. Then we play it with the metronome without counting or counting mentally, and then we just don't need to count it. We can play either with the click, which is very useful for recordings and for rhythmic accuracy, or we just have a drummer or the hand claps rhythm section will follow. So, yeah, that's right. That's how we have to do it. Therefore, if I don't know where is the beat really, only thing that it means is that I don't know how to play it. Or there is doubt. Because if I can count it and play it, I can also play it only. Right? But the other way around is not true. Maybe I can barely or half play things. Don't half play things. You have to play things right straight to nearest perfection as far as you can. You have to play great. Right? That's what I said a lot, this phrase of explore your potential. What's that, explore your potential? Well, is that your best way, how you can best play it, or you are just half doing things? That's when it comes. That's where it comes, this aspect of counting and playing. Very important, because it will save you so much time. This thing. I did experiment, and we will record it, probably, to show to the public how I put one student to 2 people of the same level. I teach them something, and I said, okay, now you have to play this melody, or this rhythmic exercise. And then one of them have to repeat it 5 times, because he was counting and playing it. He could repeat only 5 times and got it. while the other guy has to repeat it 20 times to learn the thing without counting. Right? So it means you will save so much time if you can count the stuff. It will become so easy. But first, you have to know the technique. So let's say the first break that comes there, we repeat 2 times the first part, and then go to the bridge part, B minor, F sharp minor, twice, then A minor and E minor. That's the bridge, and this will come every 2 rounds of the other harmonic pattern. Chord changes, or chord changes as you like to name it. So this break first, think 1, 2, 3, 4, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing, if you don't know where are the beats exactly, how you will pull back the rhythm and make it feel intense, because as we explained in other lessons, the thing should also not be to play it mechanically, metronomically, like the click goes just robotic. Well, first we have to get the fingers, and then we have to get there, of course. But that's just the beginning, leading to an end of playing it as with full command, rhythmical. And that full command will be there if we practice this counting thing first. So let's say from the 2 kind of remates we will settle to practice a piece. One is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. One is this, and the other is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right? These 2 things. These 2 things, we will have to practice it properly with the metronome, counting ourselves in order to be able to play it properly with others. So let's say we just play that fragment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ta-tin, ta-ti, ta-tan, that. Let's get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This, you see, I have to be able to repeat the thing at will. That's the advantage of it. Then we will do the practice ourselves here with interactive and all of that. But first I want you to understand why we are doing what we are doing. When you know why we are doing something, then that becomes so much powerful in your music path.